at it, hooked up the battery charger, got it charging. I believe that my starter might be going bad. Either that or it just died down from sitting in the garage for a couple weeks. I don't know, maybe 2 weeks I think it's been sitting, or a week, whatever. Shouldn't have died that fast. Gonna try to start it up again. Got this vinegar smell. I believe it's coming from this starter relay, whatever thingamajigger. Turn it on. Got power. Let's try it again. Yeah, I think just a little bit of juice. Give her a little kick in the ass, get her going. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Vern? Hook this baby up and get her out on the road. Recently just bought a mount for my hat. Just bought a mount for my phone. Wally Mart. It's kind of cool though. 15 bucks, whatever it was. I can swivel it, put my phone wherever I want, and then the GoPro is gonna hook up right here on the front. Or if you want to take your phone off, just hook the GoPro right up there, and it sits right in the middle of my handlebars. Kind of like this idea of my phone sitting right here so I can see. Cool. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can get it running. I am not a motorcycle mechanic. They just changed the front brake pads. Those were super simple. Bike Master brake pads. Highlight. What's a highlight? I didn't know you could highlight things. GoPro, you're so silly. Brake pads, super easy to change brake pads on the motorcycle. It literally was 2 bolts. Pop those 2 bolts out, and then there's a little Allen thing right there. You had to loosen that to